Hey, so it's me, Lorenzo, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm supposed to be teaching my humanities class something new. And so I thought that I would teach my class how to use a DSLR camera as a webcam. If you don't know what a DSLR camera is, this is what a DSLR camera is. You may have seen DSLR cameras. This is what it looks like. You may have seen one or two in movies or in pictures. A DSLR camera is broken down to two things: a base camera like this and a lens. Yeah, so if you have a DSLR camera, then great. This video is for you. If you want to use your DSLR camera as a webcam because A, your webcam sucks, like mine, or B, you just want to look the greatest out of the bunch in your Zoom meetings, follow this tutorial. Okay, so first thing you gotta do is install a software. Okay, I just got a random burst of energy. We're going to go right into it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up, I have this in an incognito tab because I don't want my search results to be biased in any way, so it's kind of clean slate, everything, whatever. Okay, you're gonna look up, you can't see it because my face cam. Okay, you're gonna look up DCC virtual webcam. Boom. And you're going to click this first thing that pops up, and it'll take you to a forum here. This is yeah, so you scroll down. You do not click this because it's an updated version, and the updated version kind of sucks. You're gonna scroll past that, and you're gonna click this. Someone said, can you check this version? This version is not a virus. I have tested both of these links, and neither of them are viruses. But I'll have this link in the description. I'll actually copy and paste that right now. So when you click this, it'll actually, not that. There we go. It'll actually start downloading, can you not? It'll actually start downloading a zip file, as you can see by these two ones that I just started downloading. It'll start downloading a zip file where if you open up your downloads folder, it should have something about like, where is it? About like this. Should look like this. DSLR cam. This is what the zip file looks like. You can open it up and extract files. You can unzip it in any way you want. But once you have it unzipped, you should find an application in that which is called Digicam Control Virtual Webcam Configuration. This is what that looks like. Bada bing, bada boom. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna actually just, and bada bing, bada boom. It's not distracting. I'll actually show a picture on the screen of what it looks like without all this stuff filled out now. And as you can see, this stuff is not filled out. But other than that, you are good to go. Your software is up and running, and it's great. Now, all you need to do is you need to set up your little, not little, you need to set up your DSLR, your DSLR. The only thing you need to do is just turn it on, and if you can see here, I'm going to actually zoom in. If you look, it's not on the side. If you look here, in this flappy thing, it should be on the left side of your camera. If you look here, you should have two inputs. One is a mini HDMI and one is a micro USB for my camera. Every camera is different, but this camera has a micro USB. So you can do whatever inputs you want, but you take that cord and you plug it in. I'm going to plug in a micro USB cord. And bada bing, bada boom, you plug that into your camera, plug this into your computer, and then, and it should be ready to go. So let me show you what it looks like now. Okay, so once you plug in your camera, nothing should happen. It shouldn't autofill anything unless you've done this before. So let's, okay, there we go. So, once you've done that, it shouldn't autofill everything, But if you open up this drop down menu, it should have your camera. Click that and it should autofill the rest of the stuff. You can adjust your aperture, shutter speed, ISO, metering mode, white balance, exposure compensation. The important bits is that it shows your battery life, and if you hover over it, it can show you your exact battery life. And as you can see, my battery is at 80%, which is not bad. You can flip your image. If you click preview, you can flip it like wah 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 wah. I can also focus, and it'll just focus. You have to make sure you have autofocus on in your camera, though. What you can do, though, is, oopsie. What you can do it though, is if you open Zoom now and you go to new meeting or join meeting, whatever, it should start working right here. If it doesn't and it looks like this and it shows your icon, it's fine. Or if it's just black, it's fine. Open this pickup menu, the opposite of drop down. It's a pickup menu. So you open this pickup menu, and as you can see, you find DCC virtual camera. If you click that, it should have your live video feed right there. But other than that, sky's the limit, basically. Yeah, you can basically do anything with this. Also, it works with Flipgrid also. I didn't know that until just a little bit ago, like a few days ago. But it also works with Flipgrid, so if you need to film a video with Flipgrid, it works with that. I hope you all enjoyed this little video. Also, shout out to my humanities class. How y'all doing? Bet I'm cringing and hiding. My YouTube channel is, what's my name? Lorenzo's Little Big World. I think that's what it's called. So, subscribe, please. Yeah, other than that, for my YouTubers out there, have a nice day. See you guys in the next video. Ta-ta.